Do you guys always see people popping up the ball like this? You know, like this? Well, can you want to do it? I'll teach you how. So, if you're a beginner, so first stop the ball, kick, roll back, pick up. And you don't know, so how to pick up the ball actually, but that's the hard part, is you see, when you kick, the ball's going front. Then you roll back, you see your foot goes onto the ground, like this. You go onto the ground. Then you have to kick the ball up, like, you know, like a drop kick on the floor. And for the advance, you don't have to kick it, but you just do this. Thank you for watching the video, and see you later.